for I would say for there are tools that are free or community edition license, so you can use it. Okay. No problem with that. What we have here is the solutions that we are using for mobile testing. Okay, all those solutions are based on what we call mobile center. What is mobile center and what is the purpose of this solution? Okay, mobile center is a code which was developed by HP software that allows you to integrate real devices in your testing process. How? Allowing you to create your own lab for mobile devices. Okay, as you can see here, we have 4 devices, 2 Android, 2 iOS devices, and instead of that every developer, every tester brings its own device, we just need to connect to Mobile Center, which is a piece of software. In a production environment, it will be hosted in a server, and you plug the devices. You can have also remote pieces connected through a connector, by the way.
Okay.
And what it does, it allows you to access the devices remotely. It's very easy. So, for example, if I want to access one of the iOS devices, I just need to click here and ask. As you can see, I'm here in the device, but I also have probably go with this page, so it was reloaded. I can click, I can interact with the device.
Now, is that running on one of these?
Which one is this?
This one. Okay.
Okay, good. We're back.
Okay.
You can see it flipped to this, or we can tell it, okay, let's try. So you can interact, you can take out, okay, allow me to take a picture. You want to save the file. So we download it. We have the file with us. So, or you want even jump and chop, so we are interacting with the device. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So if you even want to install an application on the device, you can do it remotely. Okay. So let's close this and let me show you another thing. For example, you can see when you're using a device, the device is locked. It means that someone is using the device. So the solution allows you to share the devices among people, so they are not competing for resources. So you can manage and you can govern the devices using your lab. Okay, what I will do here is remove this reservation, no longer. Okay, delete this reservation. I'm an administrator, I can do it. But it also allows you to execute tests, either automated test or manual test.
Okay.
A manual test, we use an application which is a Sprinter. It allows you to, if you have defined a test which is a set of steps, where you steps, what you have to do, what is the expected result, you just need to load it from an Excel spreadsheet. You can connect to our platform Quality Center ALM. You can use those test cases. But the good thing is that when you are executing with the Sprinter the test, you track the activity. So, do you have testers in your department? Let me say, I don't know, you are working in an outsourced company or you're working for another company, and let's say that the people that hire you, okay, if you execute a manual test, I want to see what you done.
Right.
Let me ask you a question. How long would it take you to create a report for a test on a device, for a manual test? Quite long. If you have a bag, it's not so easy. Let me show you how easy it is to execute a manual test with the Sprinter. The first thing I have to do is to, close this. Okay, and what I will do next is minimize this and execute Sprinter. Sprinter is a desktop application that is included with Mobile Center, and it allows you, so I will tell, okay, connect to my Mobile Center, okay, and I will run a test case, okay. So this case, it has these 5 steps. Okay, and it will install the application on the device, will execute it, you configure it here, just telling what is the application that you want to install, on which device, which application, because by the way, Mobile Center, it provides you a repository for applications. So all your APKs, your EBAs, they are uploaded here, and from this place you can install the application. You can have different versions of the application ready to upload. Okay, so the next thing is, once you've done this, is you will install the application, you will restart the machine, and you will collect the logs. Okay, and we are talking just about manual testing. Okay, so let's close. Let's press OK, and let's execute it. So to execute it, what we need to do is just click here and run. So it will connect to a device, it will install the application on that device, and it will start executing. Okay, so what you can see here is installing the application. Okay. And that's it. So I'm a manual tester. I don't need to have the device by my side. It's one of these. But I can start executing. Okay, so start first with login.
So this one?
Yeah. Press login. And as you can see here, I will mark here the step pass. Okay, so go to next step, click on this, go to money transfer. Okay, pass. Go to the next one, press 5, minimize, click transfer. So this one is pass. Tap OK button.
Okay.
Okay.
Could you also tell me a little bit about the automation?
Oh, that.
Automation using scripts?
Yeah. You will see it right now in a minute. Okay, let me finish this test, and then do the logout. So now we have finished this test. I mark as pass. If I need, I can create a bag of suggestion, what would be called the annotation area. For example, I want to create something, do something here, and even more, we can report and create a defect if you want, include information and moving report. Okay, I don't have a connectivity here with my repository. It could be a Jira, Bugzilla, our own quality center, or Agile Manager. I do cancel this. Okay, I will close this, and I will mark this step as pass and finish. So this is the run we have completed, and we have those steps captured that, by the way, they can be saved as a Word or a, let's say, a report. Tell me, how long will it cost you to create a report like this, which is automated with all the pictures, with all have how much time, how productive will be your team doing this test? Okay, and the second is more important. We can export this to an XML file and import it into UFT. UFT is our test automation tool. We can automate the test So we can close it. Okay. And what we will do here is close this and try to execute the test with UFT. To do that, I will open UFT 14, which is the test automation solution. It will be able to import the test from the execution that I've done with the Sprinter, or I can create an automated test from scratch. You can do both. And the good thing is, okay, let's open a script and I'll show you how to execute that. So, let's do the So, let me check that it's using the, it's an Android, okay. I will ensure that we are using the right device. So, in order to do that, I will click here just to ensure we're using this device, the HTC. Okay. I will click on a specific device. So look here, it's marking how we are connecting. I'm saving and closing. So now it
should run here.
One important step, sorry. I need to go here. Again, and I need to tell them not the home screen, but not the system app, that this is the application that I want to run. Sorry.
No problem.
Install right now the app. So it's installing the app, as you can see here. You can see here it's installing the app. Now we should launch the app. And it should start
So what kind of scripting is this?
This is a UFT scripting, and this is created in Visual Basic Script. It's our own solution, UFT, but we have now what we call a new solution for this, so we can.
Does it support Selenium or?
Yep.
We can use Selenium and Java.
We can use Appium.
Appium.
We can use Selenium. For that, okay, we have to use the IDE, and this is our other solution that is included with UFT, so you can choose what to use. And you have here Intel.